And welcome back to Island Life Live. If you're looking for a place to watch the big game, host a private party, or just a place to chill, we found the perfect spot. It's Champs Hawaiʻi. Now, it's the premier destination for food, nightlife, and sports. And guess what? You voted them Best of Hawaiʻi. And joining us right now from Champs Hawaiʻi. I saw we were distracted over here because we got some mean grub in front of us.
This food looks so good, guys.
We got Greg D. Thomas.
D. Thomas, yes.
All right, he's the general manager, and Sean Bayon.
Yes.
He is the bar manager, again, from Champs Hawaiʻi. Congratulations on being voted best sports bar in Hawaii. How does that make you guys feel?
Very good.
Very
Thank you
good.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Very appreciative.
For everybody out there. Thank you very much.
It's nice to be the best, right?
It is. It's always the best.
When you get that call.
Most
That's
definitely.
right.
The smell is smelling the best of you.
Oh yeah, absolutely. All right, Sean, how did you guys get started? Tell us, give us a little history on our Champs Hawaiʻi.
So Champs will be celebrating our 10th anniversary this summer.
10 years.
Yeah, and then we've been going strong for the last 10 years, and we're very grateful for our friends and our guests that come regularly to our spot, and it's because of them that we made it this far.
Yes,
I like
absolutely.
that. Our friends and our regulars, not customers. But you don't make friends. That's awesome. Now, Greg, for some of our friends who are watching right now and they haven't visited Champs yet, tell them what they would expect as they walk into your guys' space.
So it's a little misleading when you first walk in. It looks really narrow, but it's really long. It's a big space. We could fit up to 200 people.
Wow.
We have 30 plus TVs, private room, pool tables, 5 dartboards. Anything you can think of, private parties are the best.
And the food.
And the food. So our chef is Randy Manuel. He's also an executive chef of Chart House, so he's been there 24 years. So we have a great food culinary. He does a great job. And it just keeps a little elevated bar food. You think you go into a bar, but you're getting a lot more than that.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah,
seriously,
absolutely.
we're looking at this stuff over here. Maybe Sean, if you can just go right down the road, what are we looking at?
All right, Greg. Can you
All right. This is our roasted lechon. You can get it either roasted or grilled. Roasted's the most popular, a little bit crispy. This is our fried noodles, a little bit of pork in there. Our kalbi, and then our wings. We got a few different wing sauce flavors. This is the sweet garlic. Got that with a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
Yes.
We've
Good stuff,
got many other
guys.
options: steak, seafood. We got fresh catch, mahi mahi, banana custard with the mango salsa.
Well, you know what I also love is that you guys have late night. You guys are open late night. You know, when other places are closing down at like 7, 8 o'clock, and you're like, I'm hungry. We just go movies. We just came from someplace else, and we really want to get something good. You guys are open at these times, right?
Yes, we are open.
Yeah.
We're open till 2 a.m. Kitchen till 11.
Nice. And look at these beautiful shots. I love this, the kalbi. I mean, I noticed it's positioned closer to you. I don't know who set up the plates, but you know.
I did. I put the onions by you, and I took the kalbi and took it by me.
You know, and it actually tastes, smells very delicious. It's very, it just, like, I gotta try them.
Okay,
If
sounds
you don't
good.
mind, can I try it? I lost my train of thought over there for a little bit. You know, in fact, I think I'm just gonna grab them with my finger.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea. So again, you folks are talking about parties, right?
Yes.
What kind of parties have come through in the past?
We've had catering for the animal clinics. They throw their party there.
Awesome.
Set up. We have a wedding party that's coming up this Saturday. 100 people.
Imagine having your wedding at Champs with this delicious food. Ooh.
And dartboards.
And dartboards
pool table.
and pool
Get
table.
something for everybody to do at
Yes.
Champs, not just eat. This is like amazing.
Oh,
the
yes.
skin is super crunchy. You know, like try the kalbi.
Oh, I do, but I was trying to keep them company while you chew. Oh yeah, I'm getting
so
this
good.
piece right here.
And then also, not to mention, when we do open for football season, 7 a.m.
I'm making mess.
We got a killer brunch menu as well.
You guys open at 7 a.m.
Yes, for
with
football
brunch.
season, yes.
Yeah.
Football season.
Yeah. Once football season starts, we open up 7 a.m.
Wow. And then what's on like the brunch menu? Like what you guys serving for the brunch
We
menu?
got ube waffles,
You had me at ube waffles. Right there, I'm coming already.
eggs Benedicts, fried rice, a little bit of everything.
You're making us smile, Greg. I'm telling you. I mean, so you guys are serving food from 7 in the morning all the way to 11 o'clock at night during game season?
Oh
Yes.
Holy moly.
These are some of what they're offered during the breakfast, the brunch. That looks amazing.
Awesome. Okay, family, so Champs Hawaiʻi, for those that don't know Champs Hawaiʻi and are just seeing you guys now, location, how can people get to you folks? If they wanna come in and reserve some space, how can they do that?
So we're located in Kaimuki, 3457 Wailai. Mostly it's street parking. We also have a little bit of ramp parking there. Anytime you want a reservation, just feel free to call. Our number's on the website. We're open to take anything all the time. UFC fights we host all the UFC fights. Max Holloway's coming up July.
Yeah.
That'll be the big one.
Yes.
Last time we had 200 people in there, so it brings out the crowd.
Oh, fantastic.
Makes sense. All the TV screens, all the things to do, and all the food. This is amazing. This is why they are voted best of Hawaii, Champs Hawaii. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you very much for having us.
The best kalbi, I can tell you that. Num, num.
Save some for me, sis. Now, as you chew that, I want to remind you to head on over to kitv.com/contest to enter to win this week's Enjoy Snacks gift bag. It is filled with all kinds of goodies, and it can be all yours. We're going to be drawing the winner on Friday right here on Island Life Live. We'll be right back.